how to calculate the perimeter of different types of triangles in 105 seconds. Let's go. Here, guys, we're asked to calculate the perimeters of the following triangles, and then we're given 3 different types of triangles. Let's have a look at them one by one. Up first, let's deal with our equilateral triangle in the top left corner. Now, how do we know this is equilateral? We know it's equilateral because all of our angles are 60 degrees, and that tells us that all of our side lengths are going to be the same. So we know that this bottom length is 4. That tells us that the right-hand side is also going to be 4, and the left-hand side is also going to be 4. So to calculate the perimeter, we're just going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to give us 12 centimeters, our answer. Now, what about this triangle over here? This triangle over here is going to be an isosceles triangle. How do we know that? We know that because these two angles are the same and this angle is different. Now, what does that tell us? It tells us that our left-hand side is going to be 5 centimeters. Why? Because it's going to be the same as this side here. Now, all that we have to do is add together those side lengths, 5 plus 5 plus 3. That is going to give us 13 centimeters as our answer. Now, this one, guys, arguably the most difficult is going to be our right angle triangle. Now, to calculate the length of this side over here, we're actually going to have to use Pythagoras' theorem. Now, Pythagoras' theorem, what does it tell us? It tells us that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where our two side lengths, which are not the hypotenuse, are a and b, and our hypotenuse is c. Now, how can we apply this? We're going to do 4 squared plus 3 squared, that is going to be equal to our c squared. 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So that tells us that 25 is equal to c squared. And that tells us that c is going to be equal to 5, square rooting both sides there. So we finally found that our hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. Now to find the perimeter, guys, we're going to do 4 plus 3, that's going to be 7, plus 5, that's going to be 12. And we get our answer, guys, that our perimeter to our right angle triangle is 12 centimeters.